Hello, so I have a SOG Stingray 2.0 for you to look at here. This is model SR-05. This model is discontinued now. It was a limited run of 500. This particular knife is number 239. The SR-05 model has actual stingray hide inlays on both sides. Now the handle is a stainless steel handle. It measures 3 5/8 inches. There's a single thumb stud which has an abalone accent to it. There's no pocket clip on this particular knife. Now the blade is held in place and released by SOG's patented arc lock system. The blade is VG10 and it is laminated with 420 J2 stainless steel. The blade itself is only 3 inches. It's a sleek little knife. As with all SOG knives, it's pretty well made. Thank you for watching.